I'm Tara Righetti from the University of Wyoming, and I'm a Fulbright Research Scholar at the Université de Lille. So I'm in Center for Law and Perspectives on Law, and I'm working on a project that looks at carbon circular economy. So we are looking at opportunities to integrate CDR, which is carbon dioxide removal, into the circular economy framework that exists in France, with the idea of how can you decarbonize the circular economy, and I'm working on that with other researchers at the Faculty of Law. Law has created an obligation for producers to be responsible for their waste. The waste that's produced in the process of creating products. And so that requires them to take more responsibility throughout the supply chain for what goes into those products and then what's left over. Right now, the framework doesn't actually include atmospheric emission. My colleagues and I are examining opportunities to harmonize the emissions regulations in France and the EU with the circular economy. You can capture that CO2 either from a production source, a major emission source, or from an incinerator. You could make cement and some building materials. There's opportunities to make synthetic fuels. I have the privilege of working on the Carbon Safe team through the Department of Energy at the University of Wyoming, and it's been really wonderful to share the lessons that we've learned with my colleagues here, as well as learning about the approach to CCUS in Europe. Fulbright has also allowed me to connect with colleagues at different institutions in France and explore the possibility of new projects together. Very excited to develop coursework and teaching that will teach students at the University of Wyoming about international environmental law and different approaches to environmental protection and decarbonization.
Fulbright m'a fait confiance pour changer le monde.